2.5 weeks ago, we left Florida in hopes of sailing straight 1,000 nautical miles offshore in the Atlantic to Rhode Island. Easy peasy, right? But things haven't gone quite to plan. We tucked into Ocracoke, North Carolina to avoid a nasty storm, and then had an emergency stop in Ocean City, Maryland to fix our forestay. But we were finally back on our way, and we're almost there. Like most things out here in the ocean, patience and perseverance will get you through. And maybe a touch of crazy, but that's boat life for ya. Good morning! Beautiful sunrise. We're about 20-ish nautical miles off the coast of New Jersey. We've made 67 nautical miles since last night, since we left. Still have the head sail up with our whisker pole. And the only unfortunate part of running with the whisker pole is that when the wind changes, you have to change it. And Beau is on his shift, but we're losing it pretty bad, so I'm waking him up, and then hopefully I can make some breakfast. But the water is different color up here. It's like a more blue-green than we're used to. Even in the ocean in the Caribbean, or in the sea in the Caribbean, it's much greener here. Do you need help, hun? I'm gonna go ahead and drive.
Keep going. Doesn't stay open at a floor.
Yum! It looks delicious! Bacon, egg, cheese, zucchini. Let's do this. Big fork, little fork. Who's in the camp of little fork, big fork? What do you like? Big fork! What do you like? Little fork! Alright, you ready to put it on? Coffee coming right up.
Slowest service ever.
Look at those fancy mugs. We may have dropped them once or twice.
Yum.
Coffee's good too. Made up for that slow service.
Hey guys, real quick, I wanted to share these guys with you because we know that gift giving season's coming up, and we've recently been testing these and they are amazing for our boat.
That's insane.
So if you have a sailor in your life that you need to get a practical gift for, highly check these out. They're called Big Sticks, and they are pads that we place on our countertop, on our table, on the floor, anywhere. And then we've placed things on top of them that we don't want to move. So we've tested them with our phones, our camera, our computer, coffee mugs, when we're prepping our meals, so all the bowls on the table, or our fruits and vegetable bowl outside in the cockpit when we plan playing games. There's just been so many uses. We're using them every single day. But I think what I like the most about them is that we can put them out and mindlessly put stuff on top of them, because when we're in Anchorage, 9 times out of 10, we're gonna get a wake that we're not prepared for, and we could save ourselves having coffee spilt all over our setting. They come in blue and black. They're super easy to wash. There's other uses like opening up jars. Ooh. And they even work while they're wet. So I think they would make a great stocking stuffer for the sailor in your life. We've partnered up with Big Sticks to give you guys $10 off your orders for a limited time. Just gotta click the QR code here or the link in the description box below. And I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Come on. Tuna.
Ration.
Ration?
Ration.
Oh boy. Oh shoot, it's big. I think it's a mahi. Holy crap, that is not a bonita. He's big. It looks like a mahi, I think. I just saw him flash underneath the water. You need me to go up front?
Yeah. It's another.
No.
You know, like.
Man, he's pulling, huh?
Yeah. You got a hold of that? You got a hold of that?
Yeah, I got it. He's right here. He's deeper. You see him? Can you pull him up?
He might. I think he's just another bonita.
Oh, whoa, jeez. Woo! What is that?
I don't know.
That is not, what is that? Oh!
Yeah, it's a bonita.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Right? It's a bonita.
Yeah. Well, he's fun to catch. Yeah.
Peace.
Bye. Yeah. Yeehaw.
Maybe the next one we keep.
You're such a turd. This is what happens when I ask Beau to come.
That's the money shot, yeah. We are currently going dead downwind with just our head sail, our big boy out. So in order to see if we can go a little bit faster, we're gonna put up the main and prevent it on the other side. Hopefully it will give us a little more speed, because wind's gonna die in a little over a day. So we wanna hopefully get in, or at least close to Block Island before that happens.
We're being greedy.
Being greedy?
We're being greedy. So we're going 4.5. It's bouncing between like 3.5 to 5.1. So let's see what we can get. We haven't done wing on wing in
ages.
Because it's so rolly, we don't feel comfortable putting up the spinnaker, and our spinnaker doesn't do great in downwind situations. So
it's better on the more
on
of
the
a broad.
Yeah, because it's an asymmetrical.
No,
or
it's
symmetrical.
symmetric.
Yeah. So first we have to get a line for the preventer.
All right. I gotta block it.
Oh, baby. Well, we made the right decision. We're going about 6 knots now, so I'm wondering if we should have done this sooner than later, but at least it's up now.
I think it was more on our broad first day though. Right? It wasn't really dead downwind, it was more on the broad.
Yeah. I mean, earlier today.
Yeah.
Doing dishes.
Daily chores.
Still happen here on Saoirse, regardless of sailing or not. We have 137 nautical miles left. And we haven't even gone... Okay, so we've gone 104 nautical miles, and we haven't even hit 24 hours yet. So if we keep this up, we'll get there tomorrow. Probably not going to happen, though. But here's to wishing. This is what I have to deal with most of the time. Gorgeous sunset to end yet another beautiful day.
It is a super calm night tonight. It's not a cloud in the sky, The moon is super red. It's not a full moon, but it's still really cool. All the stars are out, but we don't have any wind, so the sails are flapping around, and Wilson's doing all he can to keep up. But outside of that, it is gorgeous out here right now. Lucky to be out here and enjoying it. It is almost sunrise. The sky is so pretty. Just before the sun gets up, it just has all these nice soft pinks and oranges in the sky. Really cool to see. Last night's pretty uneventful again. The wind didn't end up switching to the west, so we loosened up our preventer, and then we tightened up our sails. So we're going about, say, an average of 3.9, 4 knots, and we're doing pretty good. We're still projected to probably get in another day, so we got a little ways to go. It's rare that we get to see clear sunrises. Typically when we're out on the water, there's clouds in the far distance that block the true sunrise, you know, from the horizon up, and we catch it, you know, typically past that little layer of clouds. But today, man, it is so pretty. Nothing in its way, and there's like this purpley pink like backdrop for the sun. So when the sun was coming up, it was like this like vibrant reddish orange. So gorgeous. We've got about 90 miles to go. The wind is supposed to die later on this evening. Hopefully we can make some good progress before that happens, and we'll most likely have to end up motor sailing the rest of the way to Block Island. Unfortunately, our Iridium Go, which is our satellite communication to the mainland, people, friends, families, patrons, has crapped out on us. So we're kicking it old school. But I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the sunrise. Trying to keep up.
Look at him, you can tell his little feet are moving. Hi buddy, you want to ride? We're not going any faster than you are though. Look at, you can tell he's moving his little feet.
Yeah. Gotta catch up, they're losing me.
Throw the life raft. The life server? Life preserver?
Alright, let's try to switch out this sail. We have zero wind, well, very little, as you can tell by the calm sea state. So we're gonna switch out the big boy for the Mac Daddy, and hopefully we don't have just a bigger sail flapping around. Hopefully it can actually move us forward.
Also, our continuing journey of attack of the
these
little black pirates.
Flies, just every one we kill, 5 more show up. So it's a never-ending battle.
And they're horseflies, so they're biting us.
Yeah, they're biting the crap out of us.
Doesn't matter. Bug spray isn't working.
Yeah,
Nothing's
spray,
working.
Nothing works.
If you guys have remedies, let us know.
There's no reprieve. Oh, isn't it like a water bottle? Don't you fill a water bottle and put a coin in it or something?
I don't know. Well, maybe we could do that. We can try that. Sail first. Pretty sure the bird is gaining on us. Oh my gosh, he's like right here. Are you looking for fishies? That's what he's doing. He's looking for fish under our boat. Hi, bud. Oh my God. Is there anything down there? The bird that is actually swimming faster than Saoirse. We need a drone of this. Literally, this bird is swimming faster. Well, I guess if Saoirse had feet. That is hilarious. What kind of bird is he? Bye, little buddy. We turned on the motor so he couldn't keep up. You're welcome here anytime. Come on over. Rest your weary wings at the B&B Airbnb. Here you go. Come on up. All right, we are losing wind yet again. Since we don't have any weather files because we don't have our satellite working, I only have a little bit of what we picked up a couple days ago, and it's supposed to get even lighter. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the 150 back up, pull her out, because we are getting downwind, and hope that we can make some ground. Right now, with just the head sail up, we're going about 2.5, but the Mac Daddy is just flopping around, so we'd rather pull it out. And these flies are just annoying, and they are biting the crap out of us. So we're hiding inside and popping our heads out every 15 minutes to make sure everything's okay. But this has not been fun. Could be.
No difference.
At least we're trying. Well, we tried and we failed. There's just not enough wind to keep us going, so we've got the motor running. But we'll get there sooner or later.
So we're probably gonna be motoring like this for the next, till we get in, really. We are close enough to where we're getting a little bit of cell signal, so we were able to text our onshore support team, and they let us know what the weather was doing, and it's basically going to be dead for the next day, really. So these black flies are really annoying us, and we just want to get there, so we're just motoring.
You would think we're on acre, but we're not. We're just in the middle of the ocean. No one to be seen. Well, we wanted to share with you guys this beautiful sunset, but this is going to be it for tonight because these black flies out here are so bad, and we have found that there are mosquitoes now as well. So we're barricading ourselves inside and just kind of keeping an eye out for traffic. Hopefully, maybe the flies will go to sleep or away soon, but this sunset is gorgeous. So I figured I'd share it before I hide.
We finally have wind, so we got the sails up, and thankfully we're able to shut off the motor. Land ho! So that's Block Island, and we are 9 miles away, so we should get there in the next couple hours.
Have you become one with your friend yet?
I'm slowly converting.
There's one right on your shirt.
That's Stan.
Stan?
Stan.
They supposedly don't like light colors, but I don't think that's the case.
You can't get any lighter than this.
Yeah. But the Helly Hansen pants are doing great from keeping them biting us.
Yeah.
Well, it was good while it lasted. Not
The
us,
wind.
The wind.
Has gone.
Bye, bye, Miss American Pie. I wonder what they're catching.
We can ask them. We're so close.
I know.
These guys literally, like, they were in one spot and then they motored right into our path and then just stopped. So we had to deviate.
Maybe that's the fishing hotspot. We don't know. Lady J knows where it's at.
Yeah.
All right, sails are coming down. We're just doing the floppy floppy. Would love to sail in. What is that?
I don't know.
What is that? What? What?
Like a giant mosquito.
Look at those eyes. What is that?
What's the difference? Body shape?
You're allowed on the stay on the boat. Can you eat the flies for us? You're pretty. This is what killing black flies look like. Horse flies. Where are they? Deer flies.
Deer flies.
Where'd they go? Ah. Got them. But they play dead. Not really dead. Fish food.
I've gone mad. I've just gone crazy because of these flies.
We were really hoping that once we got close to the land they would leave, but they're kind of sticking around. Almost there. Almost there. Oh wait, there's the red buoy.
I I guess that lets you know how rough it is, huh?
Oh, that's interesting. None of ours have ever done that.
Turning the corner. Oh man, look at all the boats in here.
I'm just happy to actually see sailboats. We're in sailing country now. This isn't even season. Not sure where everything went or where our brains went, but we didn't film any of us anchoring. Sorry guys, but we made it. We're here. The anchor is set all the way. So now, what is there to do in Block Island? We should be meeting up with some friends, Ryan and Sophie, off of Ryan and Sophie sailing soon, so hopefully we'll be able to go and explore with them. But yeah, welcome to Block Island. So we forgot our anchor, and this is Beau's solution. Actually, we didn't forget it. We just didn't bring it. We should have. But he pulled it up on the beach already, so he doesn't want to redo it.
Found 2 anchors.
Yeah, it's high tide.
It's high tide? Oh, well, just in case.
That, I don't think is gonna hold that.
Nay, you say?
Well, we're on a mission to find a glass orb.
Not just any orb, it's a hand-blown orb. There's a glass maker on the mainland that decided back in 2011 that he wanted to hide a bunch of orbs on Block Island to give himself an excuse to come visit the island. Well, you know, many years later, it's blown up into this big scavenger hunt. And our friends Billy and Sierra, they actually found one.
Well, Billy did.
Yes,
Sierra has unfortunately walked fortunately, has walked 100 miles in total looking for an orb, and unfortunately has yet to find one. But
so we're on a mission.
We're on a mission to find some.
The hunt is on.
All right. So the thing is he places it on public property, mainly on these trails. It's no more than 2 feet off the trail, I guess. And then he also does them on the beaches, but not below shoreline. There's a lot of little nuances to it, but now we have to keep our eyes peeled. Actually, this is where Billy found his.
Oh, right here at the beginning?
I don't know, somewhere on this trail.
Yeah. There's ticks and poison ivy.
Yikes.
Beware. No bikes. Let's do this.
Let's do it. We're coming for you.
Fail.
Not in here. Or at least I can't see. Oh! Are you okay? You're exaggerating. Stop.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's find some more orbs.
Some more? Did we find one?
No.
Is this a casualty of actually finding one?
This is a casualty. No.
Of looking for one?
Looking for one. I just misstepped and landed on my ankle.
Don't worry, we got it on film.
Anything for the tube.
Is that really how you have to walk?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. This is gonna be
A long walk back.
How's my patient?
I think I'll live. I don't think we'll need to amputate.
No.
But I do need a little bell.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously. I made him a little sling.
It's perfect.
Some bungee cords and a
Towel.
Turkish towel. We got him all wrapped up.
Yeah, the pressure really helps. Like, it was super swollen. Hopefully it'll go down.
Because we still have orbs to find.
We do. We have many orbs to find.
But for now, we rest.
Yeah. It'll heal. Sooner than later.
Well, well. Look at what the cat dragged in overnight. They said they wanted to raft up. You know. Alright, we're gonna go try 2 on this since we failed and felled.
And my ankle is in recoup stage, so I'll be hobbling along.
We are actually recruiting a couple more people to join in the ranks of trying to find one of these orbs. Now I'm one man down. Kind of.
Literally.
We're gonna go swing and pick them up real quick.
I'll probably be paying more attention to where I'm stepping than I am where an orb is.
Alright, ready to go get them?
Yeah, let's go get them.
Let's go find some balls.
Hey.
Are you ready?
Okay, you're gonna go in.
Hi, boys.
You're okay.
You're good. Yeah.
Beau can't walk fast.
My walking stick.
It was Verrazano. He first noticed the island. That was 1524. Because the Indians were burning fires along the beach. And then a man named Adrian Block, he was a Dutch explorer. He came ashore and charted the island's location. So hence the name Block Island. And then a man named Oldham came to trade with the Indians. He was killed. A lot of history here is conjecture. It wasn't written down, but that's the story that's most widely believed. He was killed, and basically the settlers heard of that and just basically came and took the island.
Look at her. She's definitely gonna find one.
She is, she's on the tab.
Is she trained in glass sniffing?
I think that today is happening. We are training her to become a little glass hunter. Go ahead, Barnacle.
Go ahead, Barnacle.
Go sniff.
Yeah, this is what we're seeing on the trail too. We're here at the Bluffs,
The Mohegan Bluffs.
Mohegan Bluffs, and there's a lighthouse just to the southeast of us or east.
Anything, Barnacle?
So we might hit that up as well. Wish us luck.
I found a used diaper.
Oh.
Holy gorgeousness. Wow.
189 steps.
With a broken ankle.
Let's do it.
Oh, there are people who are swimming. The dedicated.
Bet you there was one in here once upon a time.
Orbs, 1. Ryan, Sophie, Brandy, Beau, 0.
Dedication. Determined.
You know what I should have brought? I should have brought a trash bag. This is what I should have brought.
Yeah.
Because the only treasure that I'm finding right now is used diapers. I found 5. Can you believe that? Found the glass orb of glass orb.
Uh-huh.
Like the one to roll them all. It's right here.
Ta-da!
Oh my god, we found it.
We found it! The Mecca!
Do you think we get to keep it?
That would be fun.
Do you think we can just like
You
grab
think you
it
can
and
get
Oh my
it?
god, it's our glass orb now.
We can do it! This has not been a very fruitful scavenger hunt
So far.
so far.
So far.
So our friend Billy from Tools Endless Summer found one recently, and I messaged them, and he says, I said, asked for the secret. He says, you just have to walk around all day, every day, and not leave the island until you find one. And I think Sophie's there. She's ready to not leave until we all find one. And Beau, even though he is broken, is still being a trooper.
Nothing in there. Going home empty-handed. Wah, wah.
Several days later.
Safe journeys.
We're excited to be neighbors again.
Yeah.
That's like what? In 3-4 weeks max?
Right?
Yeah, something like that. Hope you guys have fun in Port Washington. Bye guys.
I wouldn't call this a harassment.
This is gifts.
All right, here's what we got. 3 dozen.
What?
I told you.
She's sweet.
Thanks.
But we also have these freshly harvested potatoes.
Ooh,
Can have
wow.
lots of
Thank you.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Thanks so much. Thank you
There you go.
so
Guys,
much.
thank
and you should
Appreciate
be able
it.
to enjoy those babies. That's
Yeah.
Thank
holy
you.
moly.
Oh man, and you know, it's like kind of funny because we're like every time, or since we got here, we're like, oh, we got to go out and go try to get some clams.
Yeah.
But you sent us in trouble.
Right.
No, it's my friend Johnny Jankowski.
Thanks, Johnny.
He does it with his feet, and he gets them like crazy. So
That's
he gives
great.
us some once in a while.
Appreciate it.
We're going to sit at the beach, watch the boats leave. Not that there's many left.
Yeah,
All right.
not a lot.
Appreciate it, guys. You guys
Bye.
enjoy the rest
Thank
of your
you.
summer. Have a good
You
time today.
too. All right.
The hookup.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah. What do you say? 3 dozen?
Yeah. That's
Oh, they're
crazy.
cold too. You want to try one?
You can try one.
I need a knife.
No. There you go.
Alright.
Napkin.
Yeah. I don't want to cut myself.
Ooh, yummy.
Alright.
Straight from Block Island.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ooh. Don't cut them.
Nope.
Or you.
Oh, a lot of liquid.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
Oh. Oh, wow.
look at all that. All right.
Ew.
Bon appetit.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Booger shooter.
Oh. There are oysters, but yeah.
Mmm. So fresh.
Yeah.
Man, that is, oh yeah, they're like sweet.
Yeah.
Man, that's good.
What are we gonna do with them?
Ooh, you gotta try these.
Fine.
They're so sweet.
Fine.
So
Open me
good.
one up. It looks kind of. I don't know if I've ever.
appetit.
I don't think I've ever eaten a raw clam before. I've done oysters, but
So sweet.
it looks like it's got. Like okay,
It's
okay,
like
okay, okay, okay.
Give it time. Let it marinate. You don't like it, huh? You don't like it? There's shell in there. Pearl?
It's very. Very fishy tasting. I like cooked clams. I can say I like cooked clams. Yours was this tasty, like this fishy.
Yeah, there's a little saltiness to it, but not. It's you didn't get the sweet part. Maybe you didn't get the right part yet.
It's not my favorite, but
No. Oh, I thought it was really good.
maybe it. Yeah, it was very salty, but I do like them cooked, so I'm looking forward to them being cooked in butter and garlic. Oh, the garlic! It smells so good.
This is Block Island garlic.
We got it at the farmer's market.
We had to give up our firstborn for it.
It was literally $5.
$5 for one bulb of garlic.
Hey, Lovey, look at me. Let me wipe that sucker off your face.
Huge sucker. But I love me some garlic. Call for shallots, but we don't have shallots here. We ain't that fancy. I'm just gonna use an onion. Butter. Butter and onion.
Pretty night out. Ooh, cool. Anchorage is a lot emptier than when we first got here. It's steaming up the lid. Lid. 3 minutes in the Instapot. Yeah. See you in a little bit.
You guys didn't see it, but we put in our own special sauce. 'Cause
No! Again.
you guys didn't see it, but we put in our own little special recipe. We don't have any white wine, so we subbed it with about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. About a third to a half pack of Lipton, what is it, onion soup?
Yeah, because we don't have any bouillon.
Yeah, we don't have any like bouillon broth. And then about a cup of water. And yeah, that's gonna be, I tasted it, mixed it up, tasted it. We kind of reduced it a little bit, tasted it, it's
And onion and garlic.
onion and garlic with a lot of butter.
So we're not running out to buy anything here because we spent $14 on a pack of bacon.
Yeah, it's a tourist
pricey.
town,
Yeah.
so you know things are
Crazy here.
things are hard to get on to island, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
Ooh, that smells good.
Well, that does smell good. Ooh la la.
Oh,
Oh yeah. So excited.
Yum.
Okay. We didn't get an orb, but we got some fresh clams. Cheers. Boop.
Bon appetit.
Oh, it's so good.
Ooh, perfect.
Oh, it's interesting with the cilantro.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
It's refreshing. Does not taste like soap. Thanks to Mark and Jeffrey. Really, really delicious, fresh clams.
Oh man, so good.
So good.
So, we are going to be heading out of here tomorrow. We are going over to Newport, and we enjoyed our time here.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It's fun.
If we ever end up in this area again, we'll definitely have to come back and
Try to find an orb.
yeah, snag one of those orbs and do more exploring. We weren't here very long, so we didn't get to explore too much. But big shout out to Ian and Sheila for giving us a grand tour of the whole island.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Thank you guys. And it was fun hanging out with Ryan and Sophie as well.
Yeah.
So, but thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you next week. How nice.